£10,000 conversation with your neighbours because a soundproofing renovation to that room can cost over £10,000. Although it's cheaper than moving, it's a lot of work and a lot of disruption to soundproof that room. So just think, if you had that conversation with your neighbours about noise and managed to turn the situation around, that's a £10,000 conversation you might want to plan having with your neighbours. Realistically, you've got one shot at this conversation, so you have to get it right. You might want to plan what to say and when to say it too. I speak to thousands of homeowners suffering from unwanted noise in their home. So here's a couple of things you might want to get into the conversation with your neighbour to maybe turn this unwanted noise situation around. I hear what you're watching on the TV. I hear all your conversations.
Oh my God.
I can even hear you go to the toilet. I can even hear you read out your credit card numbers, and sometimes I hear your bedroom noises as well. Your neighbour probably has no idea how loud they sound in your own home.
I had no idea about this.
Just remember though, your neighbours are probably just living their lives, and it is the construction of the building which is the reason why they sound so loud in your own home. It's a